All right, so Trez wanted a basketball goal for his birthday to put out. So out here, since we've got room now, says it's up to 3 hours. So we're gonna tackle it together, right, buddy?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, so this was your birthday present. You took all your money, and you got some other cool stuff too, but we're gonna put this together and then we'll show you the progress and the finished part and the first hoops. So tell everybody you'll see them later.
See you later.
Okay, almost 3 hours of putting this thing together. Phone died while we were assembling it. But all right, shoot. Getting a few shots in. Pretty excited, bud?
Yes,
All right.
3 hours means almost a lifetime of this. Totally worth it.
Yep, a lifetime of shooting ball. All right, well, give Trez a thumbs up. He's wanting to be on YouTube some, so that's why we did a video about putting together a basketball goal. So tell everybody bye. Go, hurry up, say bye. Tell them to give you a like. Say bye.
Bye. Be sure to subscribe, like, and leave a comment down below.
Oh, nice. Oh, all right, take it easy, guys.